39 number of then
It's not as bitter as I thought.
nice coffee or chocolate. I like
Wanna go for it? Let's go for it. What is this called? What is it?
Strout.
Stouts. Stouts.
Strout.
Stouts. Juicy, mouth-watering non-veg sliders loaded with juicy filling in soft toasted
Yes, this
mini
is
buns.
the time.
It's gonna come like this,
Yes.
with fries on side. No, not bad for this price.
पैसा
क्या ब्लॉगर बनेगा तुम?
हम ब्लॉगर नहीं है, हम छाप रहे हैं.
I want to do not this supports me.
Support. Yes, support.
My hair looks nice.
आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम तू बाल में ही जाता है. कभी never come with a girl who does lots of makeup.
Excuse me, which makeup have I done? Tell me. कौन सा एंगल से look like I've done
इतना
makeup?
makeup. गोवा में
This thing right here. There's an offer going on of 1+1. So we have ordered for 500
देखा
ml.
makeup बोला ना makeup.
500 ml, which is coming one more with 1+1. Oh, so you're gonna drink one, I'm gonna drink one. Done. Thank you. Cheers. I'm really liking the coffee flavor, you know. Sweet but bitter. I loved it.
Chocolate
Yeah, it's like chocolatey also. It tastes like something.
ice americano.
It's not ice Americano, no. But then a sweeter version.
ice है
It makes
अमेरिकनो में
sense.
शक्कर डाल.
It is same. I've never had Americano, so I'm not sure. I loved it. I'm not getting that. How normally when you drink beer, that you get that, you know, weird feeling right here.
हाँ.
I'm not getting that. And yesterday also we drank. Today also we drank. This is called what, you know? Pakka beure. Alcoholic. It can be slow. OG crispy chicken, chicken makhani, grilled chicken. I got it. I got it. I got it. It looks so nice. इसको कौन सा फ्राइज बोलते हैं? कर्ली फ्राइज? No, it's not curly fries. Some kind of fries. Design fries. Hot.
मैं क्रंची होता है, सॉफ्ट है. क्रंची होता है.
Very salty. Very salty. But it's good. There's jalapeno also.
We has an how's it?
Very good. Very good. The patty is very crispy. No? You don't like it? Fine.
Nice.
Yeah. Look at his and look at mine.
ऐसा अंदर का creepiness है.
That means the beer is good. क्या नाम है इसका?
Kronenberg.
Where is this?
This is Kronenberg from Lines. नहीं. It's from Korea. Nice pure. Fresh. Only one. Yeah.
It's good. It tastes like some chemical inside. It tastes like something.
Oh.
coconut long.
Yummy.
इससे की वो, I think that is good.
Cotton bug is
Yeah, I
cotton
think that
bug.
is good. It tastes very refreshing actually. It tastes very, how do I say it? I can taste a lot of wheat in it. Is this wheat? Oh, yeah, a lot of wheaty taste. It's expensive though, huh? It's 500 or something, man. How much is it? How much is it? 645 for that one this small thing.
चलेगा तो
How
कोई
much? Which ml? It's 330 ml.
क्या रिफ्रेशिंग होता है यार मतलब कभी
Okay, as long as you like it. Come to eat KFC. Or this peri
Leg piece.
leg piece.
तंगड़ी
This was around, how much was it for?
5
524. It's leg piece briquette. It's peri. Oh.
दुआ
I don't remember the last time when I had KFC. Just between us. So we've got some adult drink, okay, and it's got the room temperature. You know how room temperature drink cuts. So now I went to McD and I got few ice, and she given a very small cup, so it's not possible to drink. So I told him to go to KFC and get some mug because we just need a mug, right? And I got an ice as well. So now let's see if they can give us a mug or not. If they don't, then we have to wait. She said somehow, but this is kind of embarrassing. But they give us ice, yeah? I didn't expect that they'll give us ice. So I asked them like how much will it cost. So the lady over there, she's like, no, it's fine. Okay. Did he get it? Oh my god, he got the same cup.
मैंने उसको पूछा कि why you are not giving me the proper
The same cup.
so they are saying कि that
Mm-hmm.
उनके inventory में है so we cannot okay fine no worries
Sad. Okay. Somehow we'll adjust with this. See, I mean, this is bigger than this cups. No? Yeah.
girl bus that keep
This is for ice, and this is for the pouring.
pouring
Such a jugaad over here.
you are making me much more cold water
I mean, cold ही अच्छा लगता है. Come on.
cold
Cheers. Ooh. We drank a lot today. Bye. So we have got this card. We have recharged it once again in 1100. We're gonna play this game. Maybe we can play this game or this game. Not sure. But it's so much fun. I really like this one. Best. Yeah, I wanna go here again. Why?
I didn't like that
I like it.
go
This game and we got how much did we get though? I'm not sure. We are going to check it. Let's go. Apparently we are supposed to go here. Oh, I think this is where they exchange. I think Nixie, you should start playing again once more.
Let's do. हो गया?
Okay, we're checking it on our phone as well. There it's coming.
Yo!
Let's go. Oh, I also play like, this is alcohol luck.
अभी तो एक एक बनता है बीबी.
Alcohol luck.
एक-एक बनता है.
No.
नहीं.
ये बोलता है कि एक और पीने का. No, bro, what is that? Let's play this.
Ready?
Yes, go for it. Apparently, I can't play because I don't know what did he do. And we are shaking.
One point.
So we are at when 7th Street, Boba, and she's there. Don't you think that we are eating a little too much?
बस.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, like gentleman, huh? Please come and go and get it. How is it? Taste it? You liked it?
Good.
You like coffee-ish flavor, right? It's very good.
This and that coffee, beer. Oh my god.
It's so good. It's really good.
Boba. Your dream.
I really wanted to drink boba today. I'm gonna keep this with me. I just hope I don't lose it.
Let's have some beer.
We go to the time zone because we have something 260 or something, right?
चलो.
Let's go. Let's go.
Keep this for backup.
Sure. Where are we again?
Beer cafe.
Yes, once again. Cheers. Wow. I think we are getting addicted to it. Are we?
Arambo.
I think this vlog is going to be how much did we drink today.
Arambam, barambam, baram.
They ordered some fries because we're quite full now.
Arambam.
Can you shut up and let me
Arambam.
speak?
Adios. Arambam.
He's gone. He might be. I still looks very sober, don't I? That means we can drink a lot.
Okay, look at your eyes and look at my eyes.
Look at your eyes and look at my eyes.
My eyes are becoming swollen now.
That's because you're drunk, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, are they giving me choices? Okay.
No.
The Baileys,
The
this one,
coconut cabo.
the
and
Cabo,
this one.
or this one. I still go for the Baileys.
Why?
It's just my type. I like a little bit of sweet, little bit of bitter.
No.
Which one you would go?
I will go with this beer.
Not even Cabo?
No.
Okay, that's a big choice.
I think
Cabo
this,
was also
if you
very
give me
good.
choice in this, or Cornbug.
Acha, the one that we drank before.
It's right in front of my eye.
Yeah, and that's if we're not going to have more. No. You know, 600 rupees, bro. And this is like going to paying more 300 or something, we are getting two of each. Like 300
No,
and 30
it is
ml.
actually, this is not 1+1.
So my we were paying more 300 or something, we are getting two. No, we are not. It's good.
Look
That's frothy skin, right?
golden bar. Look at the golden.
See, where are we going now?
Huh?
Where are we going now?
तो तेरे घर में मेरे घर.
ठीक है. That's it.
Yep.
Oh
End
my
of the
gosh.
journey
End of the journey, it seems.
and
ठीक है.
end of the journey मतलब आज का दिन का signing off.
Signing off.
मस्त बियर कैफे.
It was really good. I like the
आज
beer
पूरा
cafe.
दिन और इतना खर्चा.
मेरे पे नहीं
चड्डी
करेगा तो
फाटली आहे बट अजून हिचे खर्च नाही थांबले.
नहीं थमती.
चड्डी पड़ गया
He's gone.
बट फिर भी I can still have more beer.
Yeah, I mean like हमें चढ़ी नहीं है.
नहीं चढ़ी हम बोल रहे हैं हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म
metabolism.
very strong hormones.
Anything.
Hormones, alcoholic hormones अपना strong है.
Yep. See you. Bye bye.